Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Flare. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Flare. Now, a lot of people still look at Flare as a scam. I see it as something much bigger. I think it's just getting started. Once it finally really gets built out, I believe it's going to be something massive inside of crypto. It's going to add a lot of value to other cryptocurrencies as well, such as XRP. You can see the projects building on Flare and Songbird here. There's 225 projects in all, including data providers, DeFi, developers, ecosystem, gaming, metaverse, NFT, utilities, validators, and wallets. As far as metaverse, you have Metropolis World, which I think is going to be very big. NetVRK, also going to get big over time. Expector, a lot of people feel that's going to be one of the biggest metaverse projects in the future. But again, it's just getting going. We're still very early with Flare. Sparkles, an NFT marketplace that manages over 90% of NFT sales on Songbird, has launched the first NFT platform on Flare, a Layer 1 Oracle network. Sparkles intends to use Flare's inherent interoperability protocols in order to make it possible for NFT holders to participate in new use cases. The State Connector protocol that Flare utilizes makes it possible for off-chain information to be used with smart contracts on Flare in a secure, scalable, and trustless manner. Rather than relying on centralized data providers, the Flare time series Oracle uses the network structure to give highly decentralized prices and data series to the dApps that run on the Flare platform. Sparkle's APIs have been incorporated into Bitfrost Wallet, which is the wallet that most users on Flare, as well as Decent Wallet, which allows users to directly control their NFTs within the wallets themselves. This is also going to be something very big that grows year over year as well. We are pleased to announce a partnership between the Flare API portal and Uphold Inc. We look forward to working together and expanding this partnership to provide greater benefits to both our communities. So why did Uphold choose Flare if Flare is such a scam? Because they know it's a great network. It's going to connect everything in the future. An API allows you to interact with a blockchain, such as performing transactions. That's what API Portal is. And we're going to see that grow as well over time. Uphold is one of the greatest exchanges out there. Flare and Covalent come together. Covalent adds interoperability L1 Flare to its data stack. Covalent, a Web3 data provider trusted by a community of 40,000 plus developers, empowering data for 5,000 plus applications, announced today a partnership with data-focused Layer 1 blockchain Flare to enhance its existing blockchain analytics offerings. Flare's thoughtful design provides developers with decentralized access to highly integrity data from other chains and the internet. Flare provides developers with the data and tech stack to build the next generation of interoperable dApps that will allow assets, information, and liquidity to flow freely between all chains. This interoperability expands beyond blockchains and will be compatible with Web 2 APIs, creating additional access to off-chain event data. You see how Flare connects everything. It even works with Web 2. I think it's fairly obvious which network will spark interest in blockchain interoperability in years to come. Connect everything. Flare enables secure interoperability between chains, scaling the use of blockchain by enabling all digital assets and on-chain information to flow freely. This is cross-chain interoperability with the security of multi-chain. And yet people still don't see the value in Flare. People need to really wake up because this is going to be massive. Wait and see. How many exchanges in the US have not released Flare tokens? I know of two, Coinbase and Binance US. Tag your exchange. Need to start shaming them. Your customers already will miss the first month's Flare distribution. On March 17th, that's robbing your customers straight to their face. So Flare on March 17th this month, Flare will have another distribution. And Coinbase needs to give people their songbird as well, in my opinion. Coinbase has been dropping the ball quite a bit. It started with delisting XRP, then they didn't distribute people's songbird. Now it's Flare as well. Come on. People rely on these exchanges, and that's why I always tell you, you can't trust any exchange 100%. This is the almost 2 years in the making, and we are close. Validator online soon. They're talking about Casino Coin. But I want to point out some things about Flare Finance that are very important. You remember when you were always told you could be your own bank in the future? Well, thanks to Flare Finance, that could happen. Flare Finance is the first to offer decentralized financial services built on the Flare network. With fully functional financial products, it opens up the freeways for investors to experience new decentralized financial products. Such products are focused on non-custodial liquidity pools. Non-custodial is just a fancy way of saying no intermediary. Decentralized insurance coverage, peer-to-peer margin and spot trading, and much more. What this means is that an individual investor can be their own bank. A new era. The full suite of Flare Finance products are as follows. FlareX is an intuitive and efficient margin and spot trading platform that can decipher trading algorithms while providing traders with an edge in a simpler manner. Flare Farm, a versatile governance and yield farming platform that assists investors in earning yield benefits and percentage returns on staked assets. It allows you to earn more crypto off of your crypto. Flare Loans will assist investors in creating digital asset collateralized loans, which will drive more profound value in the decentralized financial products. Remember, you were always able to borrow against your crypto in the future? Well, thanks to Flare Finance, they're making that happen. Flare Mutual provides digital asset investing into risk-based mutual funds, which further collects yields on those digital assets. Flare Wrap, a non-custodial, no intermediary, cross-chain asset bridge that allows digital assets on other smart contract networks to migrate to the Flare Finance ecosystem. Remember, moving between cities for family visits or family trips. Flare Mine is a decentralized mining product that will allow Bitcoin and Ethereum mining platforms to mine Spark, Flare. And again, this is just getting started as well. So Casino Coin, CSC, is the newest addition to Flare Finance fleet of digital assets. Others include the native YFlare, YFin, and YUSD, along with Flare XRP, LTC, XLM, XDC, Doge, Algo, ADA, TEL, Cell, BNB, Cake, SHIB, and Senchu. It's a true family of digital assets all interoperating with the Flare Finance ecosystem and across network bridging with their native networks. And so now you could see how you can earn off of your crypto. You could borrow against your crypto as well. This is going to be huge in the future. Flare Finance price prediction. So I hate when they do price predictions, but let's take a look. So XFi, current price is 19 cents. Flare Finance can go as high as 35 cents in a year. Flare Finance will be worth $1 in 5 years. I don't think it's going to take that long. I think it's going to grow in value much quicker. XFi will be worth $5 in 10 years. XFi has a max supply of 110 million XFi. XFi all-time high of $15.32. Flare Finance is 98.38% below all-time high of $15.32. The all-time high of Flare Finance is $15.32. XFi market cap $24.9 million. XFi has a max supply of 110 million. So because the supply isn't that much, I believe it's going to grow faster than we think. And I think it's going to hit much higher numbers. I think it'll break $100 in the near future, because I could see how fast this will grow, especially if the rest of the market is rising in value, such as XRP really takes off. People are going to want to earn off of their crypto in the future. People are going to want to borrow against it in the future. This is the true value of becoming your own bank. This way, you don't have intermediaries like we have today. But like I said, I feel Flare is going to be huge. People could continue to call it a scam. I'm going to continue to hold my Flare for the long term. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.